This is a CO2 hybrid laser cutting machine with the extra laser engraving head, and we can install autofocus tool here for this small laser head. What we have to do using this autofocusing is like this. First, we raise the hybrid laser cutting head like this. Okay. See, raise the cutting head to top and then lower down this cutting head, small laser head, and then we put the non-metal sheets like acrylic, wood, and other things. Okay, put it, and then we press focus on the front panel. Menu function autofocus. 按一下。Okay, the autofocus for the small laser cutting head is done.